What if the moon isn't just a silent rock in the sky? What if there's something far more terrifying about our lunar neighbor that no one wants to talk about? Today, we're uncovering the dark and unsettling secrets of the moon. Secrets that could change everything we think we know about space. The moon has always been a symbol of mystery and wonder. But what if it's hiding something far darker than we've ever imagined? Is the moon truly just a natural satellite? Or could it be something far more unnatural? Let's dive into the terrifying truths that have been kept in the shadows for centuries. Section 1. The moon's perfectly suspicious size. Let's start with one of the most mind-boggling aspects of the moon: its size. The moon is the fifth largest satellite in our solar system, and it's oddly just the right size to cause a perfect solar eclipse. Why is this so strange? Because it's incredibly rare for a moon to be the exact size needed to perfectly cover its planet's sun. Some scientists argue this could be a coincidence, but others believe this perfect alignment may not be as random as it seems. Could this be evidence of some sort of cosmic design? Something far beyond natural processes? Section 2. The moon's strange orbit. Next up, the moon's orbit. It's almost perfectly circular, and it's been that way for billions of years. The moon is also in synchronous rotation, meaning it always shows the same face to Earth. It's as though the moon is intentionally hiding something from us. Most moons in the universe have irregular orbits, yet ours is so predictable, so stable. It raises a lot of questions. Could this be a sign that the moon was placed here intentionally? Or is there something far stranger going on? Section 3. The moon's unexplained craters. Now, let's talk about the moon's surface. The moon is covered in thousands of craters, but some of them don't make sense. A lot of these craters are perfectly circular, almost as if they were made by something other than meteors or asteroids. Some of the craters are so large and perfectly symmetrical that it seems like they could have been created with advanced technology, not natural impacts. Could these be remnants of something far more ancient? Could they be signs of a secret history on the moon that we've yet to uncover? Section 4. The moon's alien signals. One of the most terrifying aspects of the moon is the possibility that it's not entirely lifeless. In fact, strange signals have been detected coming from the moon. These signals, known as lunar transmissions, are radio waves that scientists have been unable to explain. Some believe these signals could be a form of communication or even a beacon left behind by extraterrestrial civilizations. What if the moon isn't just a rock, but a giant transmitter, sending out messages from beyond our world? Section 5. The moon's anomalous density. Here's a bizarre fact. The moon is hollow. Well, not entirely, but certain regions of the moon have an incredibly low density compared to Earth. Some scientists have suggested that the moon could actually be an artificial structure, possibly a huge, ancient spacecraft. This theory suggests that the moon was placed in orbit around Earth deliberately. Could the moon have been constructed by an advanced alien civilization, or could it be a giant observation post left behind to monitor life on Earth? The evidence isn't conclusive, but it's a chilling thought. Section 6. The moon's role in human history. The moon has always been a central figure in human history. From ancient cultures worshipping it as a god to its connection to myths and legends, the moon has always seemed to play a more significant role than just being a nightlight in the sky. Some conspiracy theorists believe the moon has been influencing human events for millennia, guiding the course of civilizations in ways we don't fully understand. Could the moon be more than a celestial body? Could it be a part of a larger cosmic plan? Section 7. The moon's enormous impact on Earth. Asterisk. Let's not forget how the moon affects Earth. It's responsible for our tides, but its gravitational pull also helps stabilize Earth's tilt and climate. Without the moon, Earth could become a much less stable place, with dramatic shifts in our climate and weather. But why is the moon so perfectly aligned with Earth to create such a profound effect? Could its gravitational pull have been part of a larger design, meant to foster life on Earth? The moon remains one of the greatest mysteries of our solar system. Is it just a satellite, or is it hiding a terrifying truth? Something that could change everything we think we know about the universe? The evidence is there if you know where to look. And as we continue to explore the moon, who knows what other chilling secrets we'll uncover? Could the moon truly be a harbinger of something far darker? Or is it merely a witness to the strange history of Earth? Only time will tell.